We are not just talking of any small company or organization. We are talking about smallholder organizations, which is a special type of SME, right? I work in Fairtrade USA to think how we create even more impact for the producers, the workers, and the fishers.
Our solution is essentially a process innovation that builds a practical, non-technical, step-by-step methodology that turns data into decisions that small businesses can act on. It combines open source environmental data with local and indigenous knowledge.
We are not creating top-down solutions, but really co-creating for the people that are implementing the programs on the ground. Small changes and small steps count for the final result. And when you have hundreds and thousands of producers acting in the same way, you get systemic change.